Hi, everybody. Welcome to Character Modeling. That's right. Welcome to Character Modeling. We finally made it to the end, so we're here. I can't wait to see all those awesome animations and check out everything toward the end. So, really excited about that. So, let's talk about what we got coming up. And just to give you heads up, so class ends on Friday this week. So, the last day of class Friday. So, please make sure if you have any assignments left, you haven't turned in anything, please have them turned in by Friday. That would be fantastic. Other than that, let's get into what do you have left. So yes, so for your this week, I'd really like to just show what you got. So for your discussion post for Tuesday, I'd like you to post your completed walk cycle, your first pass, and then the in progress pose to pose animated sequence from week 10. So that would be what you turned in for week 10. I'd like you to show those two videos for your initial post, and that'd be great. Just provide video link, and that's all you have to do. Just post the videos, and that's all you have to do for your initial post. Now for your reply post, I just want you to give feedback. So please make sure to give feedback. At least 2 posts would be great. And give feedback to your students by Friday. That would be fantastic. So detailed feedback. Show them what they did well. Show them what they didn't do well. What were some examples about it, and go from there. And that would be sweet. Awesome. Yeah. So that's going to be for your discussion. And then finally, for your course project, you're just going to be turning in the final animations. So again, I don't want to see the project file for this assignment. I'm good with that. I just want to see the final videos. So I would like to see the final video of your walk cycle, and I'd like to see the final video of your custom animation. That would be great. Other than that, that's all I got. I'd just like to see the full finish. Please follow the rubrics instructions and the assignments instructions, and you're good to go. So I'm really excited to see that. This is going to be due on Friday, along with your reply post as well. And that's it. Hope to see everybody again. Really excited. Great job on all your assignments. And I'll give another announcement before the end of the class. But if you have any questions, contact me as soon as possible. Other than that, that's all I got. All right, everybody. Have a good one. Be safe. Have fun.